Alright guys, I welcome you everyone on board. I'm here to show you how you can compress the size of your video. Let me show the video in which I want to compress the size, the one in which I name with Rainy. As you can see now, the size of the video here is 1.59 gig. Now I'm going to use a powerful software called Handbrake to compress the size of the video without reducing the quality of the video. Now let me go on my desktop here, look for where I have the software called Handbrake. This is the Handbrake software. It's an open software in which you can just go on Google, search for Handbrake. It's free. You don't need to purchase the software. It's an open software in which you can find on Google. Now let me click on my Handbrake software and show you how you can compress the size of any of your video. Now we have two options here. The first option there shows folder batch, while the second one shows file open title. If you click on folder batch, it means that you want to compress more than one file, but for the sake of this video I just want to compress a single video. Let's click on the video and locate where you look for where you have the video. This is where I have the video, which is 1.5 gig. Click on it and click on open. Now you have a lot of options in which you can play around with here. The first one is you can come to the presets here. We have a lot of presets here. If you want to increase the size of the you want to change the preset, we have the one of lower size. Let me go by default here. You can play around with all the defaults here and look for the one that fits your video, but let's use the defaults here. Come to where we have the video. We have the quality features here. The first one, as you can see this slide now, if you slide towards the left at the right hand side here, from 23 to 0, if you go by any of the slide here, the quality of your video will be increased. But if you slide toward the left hand side here, it will have a lower quality. As you can see here, lower quality, where we have the placeable quality, but the perfect size that is okay is 24. Let's take it to 24 or 25. Okay, this is 25. Let's just wave through this slide here. You will see where we have the information there. Okay, you can play around and read through the suggestion that we have here from 18 to 20 for standard definition source and 20 to 23 for high standard source. Let's go by 25 here. When you are done with all the parameters, you can click on the audio. You can change the audio format, but let's go by default we have here, which is okay by me. Just click on start encoding. When you are done with everything, you will see where we have the prevarying encoding paths here. It starts from 0 to 100%. When it reaches the 100%, you will go back where you have the chosen folder to save your video. Go there, you will see the video has been saved, in which the size will have been compressed. Don't forget the size in which it was before is 1.59 gig. After the video might have compressed complete, I'm going to show the size in which our video will be. Let me pause this video so that we can wait for it to reach the desired percentage. As you can see now, the size has reaches 100%. It means that it has complete. Let's go back to the compressed folder where we have it. I have my own under video here. This is it now. From this side, which was 1.59 to As you can see now, 336 megabytes. That is means that this powerful software is okay. Let's play the one in which we have compressed, and let's play the one which the original file. Just see, as you can see now, look at how the compressed file shaped. Let's go back to the one which the original file, which is rain. Let's play it and look at the two. As you can see now, there is no difference between the two files. That means that this powerful software called Handbrake is okay to compress your files without losing the quality of your video. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friends. I will be expecting your comments at the comment section. If you have any suggestion of any angles in which you want us to come in to be of help to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now. One love.